Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to make icons bigger or smaller on Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to make icons bigger or similar on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, right click on view. If you want to small icon, so click on small icon. That is. And guys, if you want to large icon, so click on first click on view, after click on large icon. That is. And guys, if you want to medium icon, so first right click, after click on view and click on medium icons. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to make icons bigger or smaller on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.